If your Logitech rally bar is freezing, not responding to controls, or acting unpredictable during meetings, a hard reset is often the fastest way to clear everything and start fresh. These devices run on built in software, and over time, glitches or configuration conflicts can build up, especially after updates or network changes. When that happens, the system may stop reacting properly even though the hardware is fine. A hard reset wipes temporary issues and restores the device to its default state, allowing it to reinitialize cleanly. The point is following the exact sequence so the reset actually completes. Let's go step by step and get your rally bar back to normal. Try these. 1. Disconnect the rally bar from power completely. 2. Wait for a short duration to ensure full shutdown. 3. Locate and press the reset button on the device. While holding the button, reconnect the power cable. 5. Keep holding until the indicator lights change or restart. 6. Release the button and allow the system to reboot fully.